guys, welcome to Faith Waboy channel. Faith Waboy channel. So as I said, tulikuwa tunaenda Dedan Kimathi University. We are so close. We are so close. As mnaona, acha nionyeshe ndio muamini tuko karibu Dedan Kimathi University. These are the hostels. You can see them. These ones are the hostels. As you can see, so we are heading to Dedan Kimathi University. Yeah, I'll show you. Na huko kwenye hizo gari mnaona zikienda. I'll show you guys. I'll show you. Yeah, we are still going. Naona hostel huko ndo watoto watajiri wanaishi huko. Sasa you see how the place is so cool. The place is cool. Watakagi kelele. The place is so cool. They are the Gen Zs. Yeah, the Gen Zs. Guys, I want to show you the. I first of all show you the gate A. Tukujia Dedan Kimathi University iko hapa. I love these guys. I'll show you the gate A. Yeah, kuingia Dedan Kimathi. I always use the gate B. I use gate B to kuingia shule. Mimi natumia gate B, not gate A, because my school iko na huko gate B. Wait for a while, guys. Wait for a while. I'll show you guys. That one uko. Yeah, iko uko kwenye hiyo gari ya red inaenda. Uko Dedan Kimathi University. Yes. Uko Dedan Kimathi University. Niko kwa barabara so risky. I should be so keen. Ndio hiyo Dedan Kimathi University, that is gate A. That one is gate A. This is the gate A, Dedan Kimathi University. Hiyo hapo. Mimi hutumia gate B always. So I'm heading to gate B.